Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80073d23 in Windows. So let's start, but before we go, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos. And let's dive in. In the beginning, this error occurs when users attempt to install or update or launch a Microsoft Store app. So to solve this problem, you need to follow these simple steps. The first thing we are going to do is to open the troubleshooter of the Windows Microsoft Store. So you can do this by opening the Start menu and then click on Settings, which is gear-shaped icon. Inside it, just type Troubleshooter. Then click on Additional Troubleshooters, then scroll down till you find Windows Store Apps. Click on it. And then click on Run Troubleshooter and follow these steps which will appear on your device. I currently don't face any problem, so let's move to the second solution. The second solution is to fix corrupted system files. We will do this by opening the CMD. Just open your Start menu and type CMD and click Yes, and then just type sfc/scan now and hit enter. After you're doing the scan, just restart your PC, and if you found any error, you need to enter these command lines. Just copy them and put them together one by one and click on enter and leave it to check the health. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.